Hello everyone, welcome back to Rare Coin Review, the channel where tiny coins can mean big money. If you love rare coins, error coins, and future collectibles, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a rare find. Calm, trustworthy tone. Before we go deeper, let me clarify something very important. The 2 euro cent is not a US coin. It belongs to the European Union. However, many euro coins are collected and traded in the United States, and their value is often listed in US dollars by American collectors and auction platforms. The 2026 coin we're discussing is based on collector projections, special mint possibilities, and early speculative listings, not an official US mint release. Let's look at the basic specifications of the 2 euro cent coin. Face value, 2 cents. Material, copper-plated steel. Diameter, 18.75 millimeters. Weight, 3.06 grams. Edge, smooth. Even though it's one of the smallest euro coins, collectors often overlook it. And that's exactly why rare versions can become valuable. So why is the 2026 2 euro cent coin interesting? Here are the possible reasons collectors are watching it. 1. Low mintage predictions. 2. Special national designs. 3. Potential mint errors. 4. Future commemorative variations. Coins from future years often gain attention before release, especially if there are rumors of limited production. Excited tone. Now, this is where the money is. A regular 2 euro cent coin is worth, well, 2 cents. But an error coin can be worth off-center strike, double die, wrong metal, missing mint mark. These errors can turn a pocket coin into a collector treasure, sometimes worth over $1 or more, even for small denominations. You might be wondering, where does the $1.89 value come from? That number is an estimated collector market value, not a guaranteed price. It's based on condition, UNC, or proof-like, scarcity, demand in the U.S. market, collector speculation. Remember, coin values change depending on time, condition, and buyer interest. Is the 2026 2 euro cent coin worth collecting? If you are a beginner collector, interested in future rarities, building a low-budget collection, then yes, these coins are great educational pieces, even if they don't make you rich overnight. Quick tip, never clean your coins. Cleaning can destroy collector value instantly. Store your coins in coin flips, capsules, dry, cool environments. Condition is everything in coin collecting. Friendly, motivating tone. So what do you think? Could a tiny 2 euro cent coin really be worth almost $2 someday? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more rare coin reviews, and share this video with a fellow collector. Thanks for watching Rare Coin Review, where every coin has a story.